This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW Z4 trunk. First, locate the interior release button, usually found on the driver's side door panel or dashboard. Press and hold this button for a couple of seconds to activate the latch. Alternatively, you can use your key fob. Simply press and hold the trunk icon. For manual access, especially if the battery is dead, find the hidden keyhole near the license plate. The interior trunk release button is a convenient option. You'll usually find it positioned on the driver's side, either on the door panel or the lower dashboard. To use it, simply press and hold the button for approximately 2 seconds. This action will electronically release the trunk latch. Remember, for safety, the vehicle often needs to be unlocked for this button to operate correctly. Your BMW Z4 key fob offers remote trunk access. Just press and hold the trunk icon button for a few moments, and the trunk will pop open. If you need manual access, perhaps due to a dead battery, locate the physical keyhole. This is often discreetly placed near the license plate light or handle. Insert your physical key and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the trunk. If your BMW Z4 trunk isn't opening, first check for any physical obstructions in the latch mechanism or around the trunk lid. Sometimes, items can get caught, preventing it from fully releasing. Also, ensure your vehicle's battery has enough charge, as an electrical system issue can affect the trunk release. If you're looking for other great deals, like durable socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.